Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap your profile image in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Tap the three-line icon in the top right corner of your profile screen, then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Scroll down and choose Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls, depending on your current account type. If you don't see these options, look under Account or Preferences. Tap Switch Account Type, then in the pop-up menu, select Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation window will appear. Tap Switch to Personal Account again to complete the process. Your Instagram account is now set to a personal account. You'll no longer have access to professional tools, insights, or promotional features associated with business or creator accounts. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.